guys, and welcome back to this Monday motivation clean with me to start your week off right. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend and have been enjoying all this beautiful spring sun. It's been so nice to make the most of this gorgeous weather and for it to finally feel like spring. Today I have for you your daily dose of cleaning motivation, as well as my weekly trip to the farmers market, a little thrift shopping, an update on our hallway makeover, and I have been making huge progress in the dressing room too. So give this video a big thumbs up if it gave you the motivation you needed to start your week off right, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of our community, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. When I was doing the Saturday market shop, I also love to look around the charity shops as well, and I picked up this gorgeous blue and white small bowl. It actually looks like a sugar bowl. It was only £2, but I wanted it to grow some more microgreens on the windowsill. Let me show you. I already have this blue and white pot that I thrifted. This has mustard greens in, but I think I need to do them again now. They kind of have gone over, but I love just trimming a few off and putting them on my avocado toast. So I thought I could put this one here. I'm going to clean it out, put some soil in and pick up a couple more different types of microgreens. You can get them in the garden centres and also online. I thought I would get another one as well to go the other side, so I've got 3 different varieties, and they're such a wonderful thing to sprinkle on the avocado toast or soups or salads, anything like that. So if you haven't got much room or a big garden and you would love to grow something, this is the perfect thing to grow just on a little windowsill. are getting into the spring mood, I wanted to show you guys this beautiful colour that I've had on my nails recently. It's from Manicurist. Let me show you the name. This is the shade. It's called Red Coral, and it is quite a summery shade, but I've been really enjoying how bright and happy it is on my nails for spring as well. So this is the lead nail polish range that I have done a video on before. I actually exclusively wear this now. You can see all the shades I have, just because I love how long wearing it is, and also the fact that it takes only 60 seconds to remove. I will be doing a video swatching all of the Manicurist Green Flash colours, just because I think it's nice sometimes to be able to see them on a nail as opposed to a swatch online. Sometimes it's hard to choose online when you don't see them in person. I also still have my code for Manicurist, which I think is Nails PP Beauty for 15% off. So I will put that on the screen and a link down below if you're interested in trying Manicurist or you're a big fan of them anyway. So I wanted to give you an update on the hallway makeover, and specifically this hook shelf area. So I shared with you guys the shelf that I got from B&Q last week. But I also have the brackets now, which are from Etsy. I'll link them down below, but let me see if I can show you the shape. Can you see this beautiful shape here? So I've attached them to the shelf. Okay, so the shelf is going to go about this height. I hope you guys can see that properly. It's a bit of an awkward angle, and also the sun keeps shining in, but just so you can kind of get a visual. And then what I need to pick up is, let me put this down. I need to pick up a strip of wood to go underneath the shelf to fit snugly in between the brackets that we can attach the hooks to. So I need to go back to my favourite place, of course, B&Q, to see if I can find a specific size or get something cut. So that is where we're at the moment, and also in the next couple of days I need to take down these last two hooks and fill in all the holes, just so everything's neat and ready to go. So when I've painted the shelf, I can attach it. But I'm really looking forward to sharing with you guys the journey of making over this hallway. I'm definitely going to be doing this in parts because it's so big, because we have the entryway, then up the stairs, and also the landing.